Croeso pawb, welcome everyone. Thank you for choosing to study in Wales, and I'm sure that you will find that Wales is a great place to learn and to live. Whether you're starting your first term, moving to Wales for the first time to learn, or continuing your course, you'll find that Wales offers a diverse range of places to explore. Our universities, of course, provide quality higher education qualifications that are respected by employers and academics worldwide. But this is an unprecedented, uncertain and challenging time for us all due to the coronavirus pandemic, and your safety and well-being is of paramount importance. There well may be differences in approach that we're taking here to keep Wales safe and to safeguard your health and well-being and to stop the spread of the virus. Your university will have that latest information, so please keep up to date with the advice and guidance and regularly check that you understand the rules. If you have any concerns or you need help, then please get in touch with your personal tutor. It's really important that we all adhere to the rules that we have in place. You have a responsibility to yourself, your family, your friends and your university community to do your best to stick to those rules on campus, at home and when you're out and about. I realise that the impact of these extraordinary circumstances may make your experience at university different to the one that you had perhaps anticipated. But the measures that we are taking are regularly reviewed and will be adjusted as soon as the evidence and the scientific advice suggests that it's safe to do so. I really hope that you'll take full advantage of the opportunities ahead and that you enjoy your time here and get the most out of your university experience. So my very best wishes to you and the best of luck.